Hello, little readers. I'm so glad you're here with us today. Welcome to the pronoun party. This is going to be a fun and exciting adventure where we learn all about pronouns. I'm Bookworm Bob, and I'm so excited to learn about pronouns with you today. Pronouns are super cool because they help us talk about people, places, and things without always repeating their names. Pronouns are like little helpers that make our sentences shorter and more fun. Imagine if we had to say Sally went to Sally's house because Sally forgot Sally's book. That would be so long and boring. Instead, we can use pronouns to make it easier. We can say Sally went to her house because she forgot her book. See how much simpler and clearer that is? Get ready to giggle, learn and sing along as we meet some silly characters and explore the world of pronouns. We'll see how they work in sentences and how they make our language more fun and interesting. Are you ready to party? Let's go. We'll start by meeting some of our friends who will help us understand pronouns better. First, there's Timmy the turtle. Timmy loves to swim and play. Instead of saying Timmy all the time, we can say he when we talk about him. For example, Timmy is swimming. He is having so much fun. See how he replaces Timmy? That's what pronouns do. Next, we have Sally the squirrel. Sally loves to collect acorns. Instead of saying Sally every time, we can use she. For example, Sally found an acorn. She is very happy. And don't forget about our friend Alex the alligator. Alex likes to read books. We can use they when talking about Alex. For example, Alex is reading a book. They are really enjoying it. Pronouns like he, she, and they help us talk about our friends without repeating their names all the time. It makes our sentences smoother and more fun to say. Now that we've met some of our friends and learned about pronouns, let's have some fun. We'll play games, sing songs, and do activities that will help us remember how to use pronouns. Are you ready to join the pronoun party? Let's get started and have a blast learning together.
Meet Leo the lion, Maya the monkey, and Ziggy the zebra. They are best friends and love playing together. Leo loves to roar. He is very brave. Maya loves to swing from trees. She is very playful. Ziggy loves to run fast. They are super speedy. See how we used he, she, and they to talk about Leo, Maya, and Ziggy without saying their names every time? Those are pronouns.
I love playing with my wagon.
You can play with my teddy bear.
Thank you. I think we'll have lots of fun together.
I think so too.
I and you are special pronouns we use when talking about ourselves and the person we are talking to. Can you practice saying I and you with your friends?
Look at that ball bounce. It's so high. It can bounce really high because it's filled with air. It is a pronoun we use for things like balls, toys, and even the weather. Can you think of other things we can use it for?
We can build a giant sandcastle if we work together, said the penguin. The penguin had always dreamed of building the biggest sandcastle on the beach, but knew it was a task too big for one bird alone. So he gathered his friends and shared his grand idea. Imagine the tallest towers, the widest walls, and the most intricate details, he said, his eyes sparkling with excitement. But to make this dream a reality, we need to work as a team.
Yes, let's do it, shouted the hippopotamus. The hippopotamus, always full of energy and enthusiasm, jumped up and down with joy. I've always wanted to be part of something big, he exclaimed. With all of us working together, there's nothing we can't achieve. His excitement was contagious, and soon all the animals were buzzing with anticipation.
The elephant and the giraffe joined in, and soon they had built the biggest sandcastle on the beach. The elephant, with his strong trunk, was perfect for lifting heavy sand, while the giraffe, with her long neck, could reach the highest points. Each animal brought their unique skills to the project, and together they worked in harmony. They laughed, shared ideas, and supported each other, making the task not only easier, but also a lot more fun.
We did it, they cheered, giving each other high fives. The sense of accomplishment was overwhelming. They stood back to admire their creation, a magnificent sandcastle that stood tall and proud against the backdrop of the ocean. This is what teamwork can achieve, said the penguin, beaming with pride. When we combine our strengths and work together, we can create something truly amazing.
This is the best sandcastle ever built by us, the hippopotamus added. And it's not just about the sandcastle. It's about the memories we've made and the bonds we've strengthened. Working together has brought us closer, and that's the real treasure. The other animals nodded in agreement, feeling a deep sense of camaraderie and friendship.
We and us are pronouns we use when talking about ourselves and other people together. In this story, the words we and us highlight the importance of collaboration and unity. When we work together, we can achieve great things and create lasting memories. So, remember, teamwork truly makes the dream work. Whether it's building a sandcastle or tackling any other challenge, doing it together makes the journey worthwhile and the outcome even more special.
Know you've been a good friend.
This toy car is mine, said the boy.
This toy house is yours, said the girl.
Let's build a town together. We can share our toys and make it ours, suggested the boy.
That's a great idea, exclaimed the girl.
Mine, yours and ours are possessive pronouns. They show who owns or possesses something.
This banana is delicious. It's his favorite.
These grapes are so sweet. They're definitely hers.
This watermelon is heavy. It's theirs to share with everyone.
His, hers and theirs are possessive pronouns too. They show that something belongs to someone else.
Now that we've met some pronouns, let's see how we can use them in sentences. He is playing with his toy truck. She is reading her favorite book. They are sharing their toys. I love to sing and dance. You are a great friend. Remember, pronouns replace nouns to make our sentences shorter and more interesting. Can you make your own sentences using pronouns?
We had so much fun learning about pronouns today. Remember Leo, Maya and Ziggy? He loves to roar, she loves to swing, and they're all best friends. We learned that I and you are for talking about ourselves and the person we're talking to. And don't forget about it for things, we and us for groups, and mine, yours, ours, his, hers and theirs for showing possession.
Names of people every single day. We meet new friends and we learn their names. It's a fun way to connect and play. From Anna to Zoe, each name is unique, just like the person it belongs to. Remembering names is a great way to show we care. So let's sing and learn and make new friends everywhere.
He, she, they pronouns help us say who we are and how we feel today. Pronouns are words that stand in for names, making our sentences easier to frame. Whether it's he for a boy, she for a girl, or they for someone who doesn't fit in a binary world, pronouns are important in every way. They help us communicate clearly every day.
Making friends like sister and brother. Friends are special. They make us feel better. We share our toys, our stories, and our dreams. With friends, life is more fun, it seems. Just like siblings, friends are there to share, to laugh, to play, and to show they care. So let's cherish our friends, both old and new, and remember that friendship is a treasure true.
I and you, we talk to each other, sharing our thoughts, our dreams, and our wonder. Communication is key in every way. It helps us understand what others say. Whether we're happy, sad, or feeling blue, talking to each other helps us get through. So let's use our words and speak from the heart, because good communication is a great start.
Pronouns help us say it easily. They stand in for nouns, making speech breezy. Instead of repeating names again and again, we use pronouns to make it plain. It's a ball, it's a kite, it's a tree. Pronouns make our language flow naturally. So let's use them wisely and make our speech clear, because pronouns are helpful, that much is clear.
It's a ball, it's a kite, it's a tree. These are the things we see around us, you see. Objects and things. They have names too, and pronouns help us describe them to you. Whether we're playing outside or inside, pronouns make it easy to identify. So let's learn our pronouns and use them right to make our conversations clear and bright.
Building dreams, no matter the weather. Together we can achieve anything, whenever. Whether it's sunny, rainy, or snowy outside, our dreams and goals we won't let slide. Working together, hand in hand, we can build a future that's truly grand. So let's dream big and work as a team, because together we can achieve any dream.
We and us, a team working together, achieving our goals no matter the weather. Teamwork is important. It helps us succeed. By working together, we fulfill every need. Whether it's building a house or a dream, teamwork makes everything better, it seems. So let's join hands and work as one, because together we can get things done.
Pronouns show what everyone shares. They help us describe the things we care. Whether it's mine, yours, ours, or theirs, pronouns make it clear what everyone shares. They help us communicate and understand the things we own and the things we hand. So let's use our pronouns and share with pride, because pronouns help us describe what's inside.
Mine, yours, ours, his, hers, and theirs. Pronouns help us show what everyone shares. They make our language clear and bright, helping us communicate day and night. Whether it's a toy, a book, or a game, pronouns help us describe them by name. So let's learn our pronouns and use them well because pronouns have a story to tell.
Now we know our pronouns, it's true, they help us communicate. Me and you. Pronouns are important in every way. They make our language easy to say. Whether we're talking about people or things, pronouns make our sentences sing. So let's celebrate and use them right because pronouns make our language bright.
Learning grammar can be fun for me and you. It's not just about rules, it's about what we do. Grammar helps us communicate clearly and well. It helps us share our stories to tell. Whether we're writing or speaking out loud, good grammar makes us feel proud. So let's learn our grammar and have some fun, because learning is a journey for everyone.
Now we know our pronouns, it's true, they help us communicate. Me and you. Pronouns are important in every way. They make our language easy to say. Whether we're talking about people or things, pronouns make our sentences sing. So let's celebrate and use them right because pronouns make our language bright.
Learning grammar can be fun for me and you. It's not just about rules, it's about what we do. Grammar helps us communicate clearly and well. It helps us share our stories to tell. Whether we're writing or speaking out loud, good grammar makes us feel proud. So let's learn our grammar and have some fun because learning is a journey for everyone.
The end. But remember, learning never stops. Every day is a new opportunity to learn something new, to grow and to become better. So keep singing, keep learning, and keep having fun, because the journey of learning is never done. Goodbye for now, but we'll see you soon with more songs, more fun, and more to learn.